It all started at Joe's birthday picnic. Kiara and I had intended for it to be a surprise, but seeing as how Joe is the only one of us with their license, we thought it'd be pointless to keep traveling on the bus to and from the picnic place and her house.
So we just straight up told her that we were hosting a birthday picnic for her. And that we needed a lift.
You know, everything was actually going quite peacefully. Very easily until you guys revealed the birthday cake.
Even then, it was fine.
Who the heck brought this?
You know, this is all because of that apple.
Oh my god, Ash, you're right.
No.
Well,
Now, we've all had our fair share of experiences with rogue humanoids. They're everywhere these days. It's hard to differentiate between us and them. We just assumed that Sam was another rogue humanoid, and I guess we went to help.
machine learning is one of those compulsory units you learn in your first year of uni. And we had all taken that course, but none of us had ever heard or read about humanoid ejecting functions.
Like, we learnt in AI system design class that humanoids are this entirely robotic entity, and that if you were to press the eject function, they'd just be a machine.
That guy, you know, he looked and felt like an actual human with actual skin, you know?
The instructions were confusing, but we decided to give it a go.
Yeah, we just assumed it was like the latest upgrade. We did our best. We're not robot mechanics.
Yeah! Did you just touch my nose? Ugh, you distilled idiots! 27 years of research down the drain! Ugh. What kind of kids these days don't know about complex human life? Where is it? Must have left it in the lab. Thank goodness!
We did just want to help him, right?
Yeah, that guy definitely had a few screws loose.
Anyway, so that's what happened on that day. And that's also where we found the very large chip that fell as soon as he left. Okay, then.
Gosh, it must have been something important.
Yeah, you don't say.